close to your eye area. And anywhere you feel you have like wrinkles or lots of wrinkles, then you might want to apply this there. See it? Hey guys, welcome to a new vlog. It's Sunday and we are already late for church, so let's go. Be bold about your faith. That's manners. When you finish planting, I'll give you planting. There's still planting. Okay? Because that beans is more.
Okay. Thank you, Mama.
You're welcome. Welcome to a new day. Midterm is officially over, so we're back to waking up early to get ready for the day. Today, I want to show you guys how to make snail mucin, okay? From scratch. Like this one, I'm going to show you guys how to do that today at home from scratch. So, but before that, I have to eat. I need to make breakfast. So let's go make breakfast before I show you how I do that. I think it's quite easy, but I'm not going to say much. Let's just go see it. I think I want to have avocado. I think, I don't know, but I've noticed lately that everything I wear, trousers and shorts, they feel like a bit loose on my waist, like my waistline. So is my waistline getting smaller? I don't know. I think so. Yes. I wouldn't even say, I don't know. My waistline is getting smaller by the day because everything I wear seems like it's falling up my waist. And it wasn't like that. I don't want to be losing weight now. Guys, let's make avocado and banana smoothie. My frozen banana. Oh, this avocado tastes so good. Yeah, that's enough. All right, let's give this. Is there? Okay, guys, there's no light, so I'm just gonna make use of the switch that is working with the inverter. To keep this weight, Lord. I am going to be eating while making this. This is my flaxseed. So all you need is just flaxseed and water. That's all. I'm just going to add my flaxseed. Let me reduce the light a bit into the water and allow it boil. I think that should be enough. I'll just leave this here on low heat and allow it boil until it thickens up. While that happens, let me continue with my breakfast. It's getting thick gradually, so we'll leave this for a while, approximately 10 to 15 minutes or less than 15 minutes, but at least 10 minutes. Yes, can you see how it's thickened up? So we'll move to the next stage now. Now that this is ready, I'm going to get a bowl and a sieve so that I can pour everything in here. Like pour this in here. Yes. And let me show you what it's like. Yeah, so I'm just to the side, get out all the goodies in here. So this is what it looks like, and this is this one here. See how thick it is. So I'll let it cool off, then I'll store it in this jar. Then I'll show you how to use it. Good morning, beautiful people. Hope we're good. I disappeared. It's funny how you can have like a whole day plan and then it turns out differently. The plan was to, when I'm done, I'll come show you guys how to apply it or how I apply it. I just felt unwell like a few minutes after eating. I'm like, okay, let me get some sleep. Then I went to bed. It felt like I slept for a very little while, but when I woke up, it was like few minutes to 3 p.m. and I'm like, what happened? I just went straight to pick the kids from school. Anyway, I'm here, I'm good. So yeah, I'm going to show you guys how I use it. I'm just going to take my skincare shot first. This is it. This is made from scratch, just with water and flaxseed. Okay. All right, so I have this brush that I'm going to use to apply. I would advise that you don't dip this brush into your mask and apply it so that you don't end up contaminating the one that's here. What I usually do, I'm going to take some out and put it in a different container, then I'll apply it to my face so that this can stay clean, free from whatever is on your face. All right, just like little with this brush. So what I do is I just take it, see, make sure you get close to your eye area. Guys, if you're wondering the benefit of this, I'm just going to say that you look up on the internet. Oops, my eye. Let me just tell you what the benefit of this is, okay? Flaxseed gel mask has numerous benefits. I'm going to mention a few. It helps with hydration and moisture retention, helps with premature aging, wrinkles and fine lines, helps with exfoliation, and because of the omega-3, it helps to reduce acne and also tighten your skin, even out your skin tone, and overall just gives you a glowing skin. Don't forget to apply on your neck as well. I think that's one mistake that a lot of people make when they are doing skincare, when they are applying their skincare, they tend to forget their neck area as well. And that's like, no, no, no. But this feels really good. Like when I'm done, if I have any left over here, which is usually not so much, I don't pour it back in the jar. You don't want to pour it back in the jar because it's just going to, you know, contaminate the other one. Not like your skin is contaminated, but it's just not proper to want to take that back into the jar that has a clean mask already. I'm just going to let this sit on my face and dry for 30 minutes. Usually when I put this on my face, I just go about doing some house chores, but I'm not going to do that. So let's talk about this movie Straw, yeah? I'm glad I didn't see the whole spoilers online before I watched it. Initially, when I watched the movie, I thought she had a child that was 8. I thought she had a daughter that was 8. Not until later, I realized that the child died at birth. Like, I honestly thought she had a child. She took the child to the hospital and the child was diagnosed and then the child passed. No, I'm like, so my question is, was she doing the whole school drop off routine every day for the past 8 years? Or was it like something that was done once in a while? Like, I have a lot of questions in my head about that movie, but oh gosh, guys, it's raining. Let me quickly close my windows. Okay, I'm back. The way these houses are built, little rain gets in. The fact that I have like lots of questions in my head doesn't take away the fact that the producers, the directors, the actors did an amazing job. Like, I literally saw a critic online who paid so much attention. I mean, it's okay to pay attention to a movie that you're watching, but the fact that people are really criticizing this movie, I'm like, you guys, come on. Like, whatever it is, if you feel it wasn't emotional enough, if you feel it's just overrated, or if you feel it's just people are just hyping it too much, that's okay. But it doesn't take away the fact that the actors, producers, and directors did an amazing job. Personally, for me, that movie touched home. I just feel like, yeah, it's okay for some people not to be really emotional towards certain topics or anything. That's okay, but it shouldn't take away their credit, okay? They did an amazing job. I like the movie so much. Like, I I am going to watch it again this weekend. That was like, that is in my head. That is one of my to-do plans this weekend. Because again, this weekend is my birthday weekend. Woo! I think every birthday of mine for the past 5 years has been quite emotional. And I'm not gonna go into it, yeah. But it's just been like, God loves me like so much. I know God loves everybody, but it's so intentional about me. As usual, it's just going to be, just slow, calm, no noise, just like enjoy myself and celebrate myself in the most calm way possible. That's always been my vibe. But I'm happy. I'm super happy. Like, yay. So this thing is getting dry. I'm already feeling the whole tightness on my face. Though some parts are still wet, but I'm feeling like it's going to dry up, like squeeze up my face. What you want to do is apply them to where you have like laugh lines and all of that. Okay, like for me, I have my laugh lines here, of course, which is natural. And anywhere you feel you have like wrinkles or lots of wrinkles, then you might want to apply this there. For me, where do I think I have wrinkles? Let's see, I think I have like expression lines. Yeah, wrinkle. I'm just trying to modernize it on my forehead. But that is when I do like, when you do like, like when you open your eyes, so you have like some lines here, which is very normal for normal people. But anyway, yeah. So let me just let this dry. I think I'll jump on some work on the system and then I'll be back when it's very dry so you can see what it looks like before I head off to shower. I am back. It's raining like heavily. I can barely, I can't even move my mouth. My skin feels really tight because it's dry now. See my forehead. This thing feels so tight, like my face is squashed. So I need to go wash this off and I'll come back for my morning routine. Okay, guys, I am ready. So let's do my morning routine. I'm using my rice toner. I use this mask at least twice every week. Next, I'm using this niacinamide serum. Sometimes I use vitamin C, but today I'm using Tiam. I use niacinamide like I think twice in a week. The next thing will be this moisturizer. Today, my routine, I'm not using sunscreen because there's no sight of sun at all. I know people will be like, oh, you can use sunscreen every time, blah, blah, blah. I mean, do you? But for me, this is what I choose to do for my skin. So today, whoa, guys, I'm wearing hoodie today because I love to wear hoodie. So every opportunity that I have, I jump on it. Because it rains today, I'm like, woo, perfect day. It's like one of those very comfy outfit for me. I like to wear it. Let's get lip gloss. I think we're good. The skin is skinning. It's giving what it should give.